LiQWYD Victoria, your property specialist at SMDC, and today we are here in Trees Residences, one of our projects near SM Fairview. And I'm going to tour you there, so let's go! Trees Residences was launched on November 6, 2013, first mid-rise building project of SMDC. It is located along Quirino Highway, near Robinson's Novaliches, SM Fairview, and Ayala Mall. Trees Residences is very near to the Quirino and Mindanao station of MRT 7, which is nearly operational, where travel time from Quezon City to Bulacan will only be 30 minutes. See, very accessible. So this is the entrance, and these are the commercial strips. In commercial strips, we have Alpha Mart, BDO, Unlimited Laundry Services, and LBC.
Turn right on Trees Residences, SMDC.
From here, open parking units of Tower 1. We can see the Tower 1, Tower 2, and Tower 3. This is the admin office where you can process your rental and leasing transactions. It has garden walkways behind the towers where you can sit, have time, breathe fresh air, and relax. Ngayon po, pupunta po tayo sa amenities there in the swimming pool, and we're going to check if the basketball is already turned over. I mean the basketball court. We have here the air-conditioned function hall and the parkings. Behind the air-conditioned function hall, public restrooms are very clean. It has 2 swimming pools for adults. Kita natin si Kuya, oh, super sipag maglinis. That's why the amenities are well maintained. This is the wading pool together with the kiddie pool, beside the other adult pool. And this one is the non-air-conditioned function hall. Escape the mundane clamor of the city and go home to Trees Residences, a place of solitude right at the heart of Novaliches, Quezon City, brimming with life through pristine natural gardens, relaxing stroll paths, and SMDC 5-star amenities. Behind me are the 3 selling buildings. Trees Residences construction update as of August 2021. The basketball court will be built here. That's the Tower 17. Behind is the Tower 20. That's the Tower 14. And the green one is the Tower 18. That's the construction update. Let's go back to the tour. This is the covered parking in Tower 9. Towers with covered parking are 9, 10, 15, 16, and 21. Let's go inside the lobby. By the way, this is the 1-bedroom unit with balcony from the outside. Oops, I just wanna appreciate the cuteness of this parking slot where no any other car can park beside yours. But wait, there's more. Solong solo, diba? Tara na nga. This is the central main lobby and the mailbox room. We can see those are designated mailboxes. Of course, let's check the lobby's restroom. It's elegant and very clean. That's the hallway and some of the units. So that's it. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you have some questions and inquiries, you can reach me at 0915-475-3185 for Glow, Viber, WhatsApp, WeChat, and Telegram. And you can email me at LiQWYD@gmail.com. You may also subscribe in my YouTube channel. It's LiQWYD of SMDC. and also with my Facebook page, also LiQWYD Victoria of SMDC. You can also search me in my personal account. It's LiQWYD Victoria. That's it. Thank you so much for watching.